going to Penguin Beach now. Guys, हम आ गए हैं Penguin Beach पे. Woohoo! Oh, I want to see some penguins today. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hi. 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 You're so cute. He's laughing. He's happy. I'm glad he's happy. Yeah, that's how I walk when I have to go to university. This is exactly how I walk. Let's go now. Guys, मुझे भी इधर नहाना है. ये penguins हैं यहाँ पे chill कर रहे हैं. A very little cute penguin world. Penguin का water. Very nice. But we don't have time for that. Otherwise, I would have taken a very cute picture. But sadly, we don't have time. Oh, this life is the best. This is the best. And they're chilling. I envy them. They're chilling their life. Now we're going to the parrot. We're going to see some parrots now.